Hello guys. In the last video what we have seen is the first video which we have seen how we are going to return the student information, and a second tutorial we have seen how we are going to send the list of student information. If you see the code, it is just a hard coded data. Okay, so but in a real time scenario it has to come from a database. Okay, so it connecting the database and creating the connections, pulling the data, and it will take time here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a mock-up classes. So the mock-up classes is just act as a database and which will return the data. Okay, so what I'm going to do is the CRUD operations, create, read, update, and everything I can do it in the mock-up factory. Okay, so I'm going to create another class name called mockup. We can simply say student mockup. So here in this class you can have a method for create a student, or um, select a specific student, or delete or update. You can do whatever you want here. Okay, so here the first thing, let's write a method to return the list of students. What we have written here under the student resource, we have a method to return all the students. So instead of returning all those things here, I have a mockup class which is return the information from the database. Here I meant the database is a mockup class. Okay, let's cut this, and I'm going to put it into student here, and I don't want this here. Okay, I'm going to create a okay, the method, I'm going to create a method. Okay, public, come on, public list of student get students. Okay, I'm going to paste the information here, so I'm going to add all the students into a list. Come on, return arrays dot to as list. So as usual, okay, I'm going to add all those things here. See, so now here I don't have to do all those things here. Okay, I can, excuse me. So I'm going to create a reference for the markup class like db reference. Okay, mockup. Okay, so what I'm going to do is in here I'm going to use the markup class to call the to retrieve the student information. So I have a markup dot get students. Okay, that's done. Okay, let's see. It has written the same response, but we just refactor the code to retrieve the data from the database. Okay, so as usual, just build the project once. Okay, it's good. Then go to the server and just restart it one more time. Okay, it's running. It's started. Okay, it is starting. Okay, it's done. So I'm gonna run the method. Okay, I have opened the URL already. So I just copy the URL and put it in a new URL, new tab. See, it is written the same thing. Okay, but we might think, okay, it's the same data. How we know whether it is a new information which is coming from the mockup class? So to verify that, what we can do is we can modify some names here. So add an AMC. Okay, let's build this project. Okay, it is done now. Let's go and do the same. Okay, still not reflected. So as I said, it has to, we need to build it again, and we need to restart the server, because the changes which happen in the Java file, whenever you make a changes in Java file, it has to go for a build and bounce if it's a local server. Okay, so it is running. Okay, started. Let me refresh it again. See, now I got Arun and AMC new names. So this is a differentiate. So I mean the old data which is replaced with the new one. So I'm getting the data from the mockup table, which is nothing but in our case it's a database. Okay, just try it out and let me know if you have any issues.